PBC58 Snap-On pressure washer, 680 pound, 42 inch diesel block. As you can see, a lot of grease, grime, and we're just about to start cleaning it. We've run it for about one minute just to wet it down. We'll see how it looks after some cleaning at about 150 or 60 degrees. Again, the PBC58 Snap-On Tools pressure wash system. Mike, it's going to be your job to talk to the tester and see if you can get a big S on the front of this. Mike's told me no so far. Hi Mike, this is 40 minutes into the cycle. You can see the ports are really well cleaned. There's some sediment that wipes out easy that still lays there, but just attracted from the moisture. Bottom's very clean. There's no dirt. So I'm going to say we'll turn it around a little bit. Take a look at the side. And as you can see, most of this stuff, in a patch you can find grease. The unit's probably 90+% clean. Okay, this is the inside. Of course, that's a bit easier to clean, but you can see that's pretty much spotless. This side, you can see this stuff even takes really the paint off. There's not really any grease left around there. In some places like that, you'll see a little grease. Again, 90+% clean. So this is the first and biggest job, I suppose. See if I can get up here and get on top of it a little. The bottom would be the same. That's pretty much all the way around it. Here's the crankshaft we showed you earlier. And it wasn't much of a challenge. So, as you know, they're mostly just oil and a small amount of grease. But it cleaned it in less than 15 minutes. This is what it came to.
Starting with that one.
Okay, this is before washing. I'll turn it here.